I'm Todd Wells, and I'll be riding the S-Works Stump Jumper 29er here in Leadville this weekend. Along with the new RockShox Specialized SID fork, which is a RockShox lower and internals with the specialized carbon crown and the brain technology on the top of the fork, which allows you to open the brain automatically so the fork moves more freely through the rough sections. Then I'll be running a SRAM drivetrain, XX brakes, XX shifting 2x10, 3926 with a 1136 in the back. Got the specialized carbon Roval wheels, which are super light, awesome for this course, along with the Renegade 29er S-Works tires, also really lightweight, low rolling resistance. Got the specialized cranks on here, carbon cranks, and the egg beater titanium pedals. Then I'm running carbon specialized saddle, post, Syntace handlebars and stem, also super light. The whole bike is built for lightweight and being fast and snappy. You know, I think the bike weighed in at 19.05 pounds. So pretty amazing for an extra large frame. On the tire pressure, I'll probably run about 26 PSI. And that's my Leadville rig.